Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Arpita Anand and in today's Tooth Talk Thursday, I will be talking about common dental problems faced by COVID patients, their prevention and their remedies. So now first list what are the common dental problems in COVID patients. Number 1, dry mouth. Number 2, ulcerations in mouth. Number 3, burning sensations in mouth. Number 4, stress-induced teeth clenching habits. And number 5, jaw pain. So now let's see why this problem occurs. COVID-19 is treating different individuals in different manners. So number 1 factor which is affecting is medicinal factor. During COVID-19, people have to take multiple medicines and they have their side effects which cause different kind of dental problems. Second is fear factor. In this pandemic, people are worried that how will this COVID respond to? How will they respond to this situation? So this is a very important factor for causing many dental problems. The third is stress factor. People don't know where this pandemic will take place, and this has caused, as there is no treatment, this has caused a great amount of stress for people who are struggling in their professional lives as well as at their personal front, and that has caused many stress-induced problems in their bodies. Fourth is the psychological factor. As human being is supposed to be a social animal, and in these times, because of many restrictions, it has affected every individual psychology. Then there is recovery factor. We don't know what is the path of recovery and how these medicines and this COVID will affect our different body parts, and this has also led to many problems. Now what you can do in it? We cannot avoid medicines, but we can surely reduce the side effects by number 1, increasing the intake of water. Number 2, by urinating more often. Number 3, by keeping our body fit and active. Number 4, by having a healthy and balanced meal. And number 5, by maintaining a proper oral health care regime at home. If feeling of dry mouth, so you should increase the intake of water. Second, try using sugarless chewing gums. You can even ask your dentist for salivary substitutes or lubricants. Try to use humidifier at night. It is very beneficial. For ulcerations and for burning sensation in mouth, what you can do is, number 1, try the use of acidic, abrasive and very spicy food. Try to take a balanced and a nutritious meal. Try some supplements. Try eating some foods rich in lactobacillus like yogurt. You can also use over-the-counter available oral ulcer gels, which will be very beneficial. For stress-induced teeth clenching habits, first and foremost, try calming your mind by meditation techniques. You can use muscle relaxant medications which are easily available. Third, you can also ask your dentist for any teeth correction or for mouth guards, which are very beneficial. Now for jaw pain, you should use soft food. Then for jaw pains, you can use hot pads which are very beneficial. You can use warm saline gargles, and you can also take some over-the-counter available painkillers which will help you get relief of this pain, at least temporarily. Do share this video with your family and friends if anybody is having COVID situation, and if there are any oral symptoms, they can get relief by listening to this video. For more videos, I'll catch up soon. Till then, take care.